Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video let us see how to draw a donut chart, okay, in Power BI. Okay, for this you should have to have some data. Okay, I already have the data which I have already been updated here by going through get data. Okay, you already have I hope you have gone through the videos whatever we have shared earlier. In that I have already explained how to get the data, okay, from various sources. You can just go to get data and get this data, okay, using all these any of these sources. Okay, so you have more than 100, just go through that. I already have the data. When you just click on this get data, you will be redirected to the data wherever the repository is stored. Okay, so just click on that. Once it is done, you will be able to see like this. So you should have to click on this arrow mark so that you will be able to see the column names here. Okay, so now I'm trying to draw sales versus profit. Okay, for using a donut chart. Okay, so at first I have to take sales and the profit. Okay, sales versus donut chart. Okay, so let me put it in a donut. Okay, it's a donut chart. Just dragging it here. Let me do some slicing and dicing part so that look and feel should be good, right? Okay, let me do that. Okay, I'm just going to click on these things. Okay, so now I'm trying to do some general things. Okay, slicing and dicing part. Okay, sum of, I'm just removing this sum of. Okay, let me put versus profit. I'm just put it. Okay, now I'm just going it here, going here, and trying to increase some fonting. Okay, I'm just trying to put this heading in the middle. Okay, this is done now, and I'm just going to visual. Okay, if you want you can do any of the other slicing dicing part. Okay, so you can just change the color. Okay, if you want anything. Okay, let me change this color also. See, the color has changed. Okay, in order to do some slicing and dicing part, you can go here and change it. Okay, and detail labels. Okay, data values. Okay, you can just go through there and do some slicing and dicing parts. Okay, so that it will be user friendly, and you can also change the backgrounds also if you want. Okay, so this is how you can do this slicing and dicing part for a donut chart. Okay, likewise you can also create for region wise or subcategory wise profit. Okay, let me put the profit here. Okay, I'm just creating a donut chart. Okay, this is how you can create. Okay, so in order to do such type of slicing and dicing part for this, I have one simple technique. Just select the earlier one, whatever slicing is done. Okay, and just select it and go to this format painter and put it here. See, you can see the change, right? So this slicing and dicing part will be done easily. Okay, once we do for one visual. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you, and I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the updates. Okay, and just comment us below if you like. Okay, and let us know what type of videos you want. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. Have a great day.